What's up, Spanks? Day 2 of my hunt for my first tiger trout of the year. Today, I'm down on Cape Cod. I'm gonna be fishing a couple of different kettle ponds down here that were recently stocked with tiger trout and hopefully catch one. They've also been stocked with brood stock rainbow trout, brook trout, and brown trout, so there's also the possibility of catching a big fish, but it would be nice to catch a tiger trout no matter the size. But I'll pretty much take whatever I can get. Gonna be throwing a couple of different spoons. Got the Rough Rider, then the Hot Lure, the one that slayed the dragons, and then I've got another little spoon from Thomas. It's called the Little Tiger. Hey, maybe I should throw the Little Tiger. Maybe the Little Tiger will catch the tiger trout. We'll see. But yeah, not gonna do too much talking. It's windy, it's raining, there's still quite a few people out, so yeah. It's also cold. It's like 45 degrees, which it's been, you know, in the 50s, 60s. It even got up to 70 like last week or the week before, so kind of weird weather going on. It's been raining for about 2 days straight now, so the rain's supposed to stop today, but maybe that'll turn the trout on, get them all horny and hot and bothered. Let's get out here and give it the old college try. All right, back at the pond with me, Papa Spankins, and John spanked up some good trout the other week. I'm over here with the wind blowing in my face. Everyone else is over there with the wind at the back. It's tough to fish with the wind like this, but do pretty good. So let's try to spank us up a tiger trout. I'm gonna start off throwing the Thomas eel. Something I've never used before. Don't see many people using, so might be a good deal. Got a fish. Feels like a brookie. It's a rainbow. Yeah, nice little rainbow. All right, there we go. Nice little rainbow to get the skunk off early. All right, cool deal. All right, let's keep it going. First trout of the day was a rainbow on the Thomas eel. Ah, shit. Well, looks like I am keeping today. Really didn't want to keep anything, but luckily I got my cooler and my stringer. Oh. Alright, well, looks like I gotta keep at least one. He did swallow that spoon pretty far, so I'm not surprised he died, but it wasn't intentional. Yeah, shit, that one looks like it might even... It could be a holdover. Not a very big one if it is. It happens. They don't spawn here. Not ideal, but not the end of the world either. Move over in this little cove over here. That's where we caught most of them last time. Try over here. Pretty good over here last time I was at this pond with Papa Spankins and John. I think when the wind blows this direction, they push up in the cove. Got one. There we go. This might also be a rainbow. Or a brown. It's running towards me now. Rainbows do that sometimes too. Yep, another dinky rainbow. That completely choked the spoon. Oh, well, no, it's not as bad as the last one, I guess. I'm not even going to take this one out of the water. I don't want it dying on me. I'm not trying to keep a bunch of rainbows today. There he goes. Around the rock, around my feet. Off to see the wizard. Alright, 2 rainbows, cool deal. Both on the eel. Oh. Hard to feel the bite with all this wind. Yeah. Dang, freaking rainbows everywhere. Oh, let me find out. It's going to be one of those things like day number 1. Instead of catching all browns, I'll catch all rainbows. Once again, I'm not even going to put him in the net. He's hooked right in the corner of the bottom lip, so. Oh, there he goes. Easy release. Bye, buddy. Cool. Didn't even have to use the pliers. All right, 3 rainbows. Feels like it's more than likely a rainbow as well. Running for the tree. Get out of there. Get out of there. This one is a brownie boy. All right. Cool. 3 rainbows and a brown trout. Awesome. Bro. See, this is what I'm talking about. This brown is hooked right in the corner of the mouth and he's bleeding. It makes no sense whatsoever. I crushed the barbs too, so it's not that. And look at how easy it came out. Sometimes they bleed where they get hooked. I don't know why. It's weird. All right, let's keep it going. Hey, get out of my way. Oh my God. Yep, another rainbow. There he goes. 4 rainbows and a brown. Where the brookies and the tigers at? Man, this wind is freaking brutal. Making it tough to detect the bite. That one freaking hammered. Another rainbow. All small ones too. All right, Spanx, pond number 2, day number 2, still down on Cape Cod. Just fished this pond recently. It's very round, very deep, and very clear water. Caught a couple of brookies here last time. Hoping to get into something else here this time. They recently stocked it with brood stock brookies and brood stock browns and tigers. So hopefully get a tiger and a brookie here. I'll take whatever I can get, but it's the pursuit for a tiger. Let's do it. Start off here by the launch ramp. I'm assuming this is probably where they stock it. There's a cormorant out here. That's a good sign. Might be fish around. Oh wow, it's pretty shallow here. Wade out a little bit and cast into the deep. I'm assuming this is where they stock it. I don't see any other beaches they could pull up on. Look at all the seagulls way out there. You probably can't see them too far away. There's a lot of seagulls though. There's not a single person fishing here. It's also very windy. I might wade over there. Well, I'm definitely wading over there if I don't catch anything here. Oh shit. Wind fucking loop. Son of a bitch. Dude, just my goddamn luck. First friggin' cast. I can see the friggin' wind loop. Son of a bitch, dude. What the hell is it? Dude, did I think I yanked the wind loop out of it when I tugged on it. Yeah. Well, good deal. Must not have been a very bad wind loop. Try not to do that again. If I don't get anything in a couple of casts, I'm gonna wade over there out of the wind. Wind loop. All right, one more cast and then I'm getting out of this dang wind. I don't want to be getting all kinds of crazy wind loops. All right. Try moving. Seeing a lot of bait over here, so try throwing the spoon around here. Been seeing a lot of bait up in these weeds, so I'm gonna try a couple casts over here. Wind isn't too bad here either, so should be okay on that front. Oh, looks like I probably won't be able to go out there. People heading out there right now. Oh yeah, they're fishing. Thought you couldn't fucking trespass over there. So where the f did they come from? Yeah, of course, they'll fucking catch fish now over where I wanted to fucking go and fish. Ooh. Ooh. That is a nice brown. That is a nice brown, you guys. Oh man. All right, hell yeah, that is a good one. Not as big as the ones I caught in the last pond we fished down Cape, but that is a goodie. All right, cool. Awesome, cool deal. On the old Rough Rider. Rough Rider. Hey, cut the shit, cut the shit, cut the shit. All right, okay. Hey, oh my God. Stop, dude. I'm trying to let you the frig go. Yeah, get him some friggin' oxygen. Wet the board. See how long this dude is. I know he's not a pin, but I want to see if he's at least 20 inches. A little over 18. Not a bad brown. All right, you guys. Nice brown. I'm gonna try to get him back because he's bleeding quite a bit. Good one though. He's bleeding a lot. This one might have to go to the frying pan. Yeah, I'd say that's probably gonna be the case. Bleeding pretty freaking bad. All right, well, I guess I gotta keep this dude. Yeah, he's not gonna make it. That is a lot of blood. I don't know what the heck happened. I had him hooked right in the corner of the mouth. Wow, he's bleeding a lot though. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this guy. Oh, sorry, buddy. Put a nice little kipe on him. Not the monster we caught at the other pond though. Yep, that's unfortunate. Beautiful brown trout. All right, you guys, nice brown trout. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to keep this guy. He's bleeding pretty bad and I don't think he'll survive. So yeah, bring it home and we'll try some brown trout. All right, guys, fish number one at pond number 2 was a nice brown, but unfortunately he bled a lot, so gonna keep him. Oh shoot, yeah, maybe I should dispatch him. Ooh, there's another one right there. Biggest fish of the day at pond 2. See if we can spank some more. Looking for that tiger trout. Brookie would be nice too. I don't care so much about that spot now. Yeah, come on. This spoon is the perfect size for an imitation of those bait fish in the weeds. Oh, got another one. Oh, that was a brown. Dang, dumped that one. I don't think it was as big as the first one. They're hitting right next to right next to me. Got another one. Oh, he came off again, son of a bitch. A lot of times they stop hitting when it's raining, and then when it stops raining, they'll start again. This might be too heavy for the hole in my GoPro battery. Ah, shit. I'm gonna have to take this thing off my head. Another brown of the smaller variety. Still a pretty one there. There he goes. Shitty release, but whatever. At least he'll survive. Got another one, guys. Another little brown. Oh, it's got that. Got him that time. Got him that time. Another brown. Oh yeah. All brownies. Another one. Pretty. Not big, but pretty. Oh. Kind of like snagged this one in the eyeball. Hey, cut the shit. Okay, he took the hook out himself. Good boy. Wish he didn't make me get my pliers out, but it's okay. Teamwork makes the dream work. Off he goes. Alright, Spanx, that is going to wrap up day 2, part 2 of the hunt for tiger trout, my pursuit for my first tiger trout of the 2021 season. Once again, not a success in terms of catching tiger trout, but pretty successful in terms of catching trout. Went down to Cape Cod, first pond, caught 4 or 5 rainbows and a brown. Went to the second pond further up Cape, caught, I don't know, 6 or 7 browns. Started off at the second pond catching a pretty nice brown trout, about 18.5 inches. Unfortunately, unfortunately, for some weird reason, he bled a lot. I mean, I had him hooked in the mouth, didn't keep him out of water very long, but I don't know. Trout are weird like that sometimes, but thankfully it's not a breeding fish, so make good use of it, make a turd out of them. So yeah, didn't catch any tiger trout. Caught a couple that looked like tiger trout. One of those browns at the second pond looked a lot like a tiger trout, but still hunting for that first tiger trout of the 2021 season. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you on the next one. Keep on spanking them.